Hello everyone, this is the another part of question series. So the first question is producer surplus. Producer surplus is the difference between market price and minimum supply price times quantity. 50 minus 20 into 1 30 is equals to 30. ये ऐसे तुम कर लोगे कि surplus is applicable for the first unit of output which is above minimum price. Monopolistic competition is a market structure which has got many sellers. It deals with differentiated products. Monopolistic competition has more sellers than monopoly. Monopolistic competition has more sellers than monopoly. Cross-sectional data captures information across multiple units. Cross-structural data captures information across multiple units. Example, individual firms, countries at one specific point in time. Time series data tracks the same variable over multiple time period, making it useful for trend and forecasting analysis. Marginal utility is the extra utility derives when extra units are consumed. When marginal utility is equals to 0, total utility will be maximum. This is how marginal utility as well as total utility are related. The contract curve is an Edgeworth box shows all allocation where the marginal rate of substitution between two यार BTW है ना, मैंने लिखा जो by the way मत पढ़ना, ये between है, वो मैंने इसको ऐसे कर देते हैं, between two individuals is equal, that is Pareto efficient point. Dominant strategy is a strategy that a player will choose. This is regardless of the other player's action. If both players have dominant strategies, that outcome is called dominant strategy equilibrium. Refinery products is more than electricity, more than crude oil, more than fertilizer. ये हमें अरेंज करना था, क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिया हुआ था कि मान लो कि किसका ज़्यादा वो वाला काम है जिस प्राइमरी पे बेस्ड है कि रिफाइनरी प्रोडक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फिर क्रूड ऑयल, फिर फर्टिलाइज़र. The 8 core industries contribute 40.27 to the index of industrial product. Their weightage is descending order is refinery product 28.04%, electricity 19.85%, steel 17.92%, coal 10.33%. सो क्रूड ऑयल, नेचुरल गैस का इतना है, सीमेंट का इतना है, फर्टिलाइज़र का इतना है. तो फर्टिलाइज़र का सबसे कम है ना इधर, उसका वेजेस डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. देयर वेटेज स्लट्सकी मेथड एडजस्ट इनकम. दिस इज टू कीप परचेसिंग पावर कांस्टेंट. In this case, consumers can afford their original bundle. This is by isolating the substitution effect from the income effect. बैंक रेट सब्सटीट्यूशन इफेक्ट को इनकम इफेक्ट से हम क्या सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं, ठीक है. Bank rate is also known as discount rate. Bank rate is used to signals by the RBI to the consumer to the commercial bank on RBI thinking of what the interest rate should be. When RBI creates a bank rate, the cost of borrowing for banks rises and this credit volume gets reduced, leading to decline in supply of money. Thus, increase in bank rate reflects tightening of RBI monetary policy. When price elasticity of demand is 1, total elasticity price elasticity 1 है तो total elasticity constant irrespective of price changes. अच्छा, total revenue constant रहेगा, प्राइस भले कितना भी हो, total revenue constant रहेगा. प्राइस elasticity of demand, प्राइस elasticity में total revenue constant रहेगा. Production function shows constant return to scale if output rises by same proportion as inputs. Learner's index क्या होता है ये? P minus MC by P. It is measuring monopoly power. Higher the gap, more is market power. Marginal cost curve above AVC, average variable cost. In the short run, a firm would be supplying only if price is more than average variable cost or equals to. In this case, the supply curve is marginal cost above supply curve is marginal cost above average variable cost. Then an increase in output and employment in the economy that arises out of increasing consumption demand, and a rise in real wealth is called Pigou effect. When the price is below average variable cost, firms cannot even cover variable cost. It will as well as should shut down. FEMA is regulated by RBI. क्वांटिटी थ्योरी ऑफ मनी 20th सेंचुरी में फिशर्स ने दिया था. फिशर्स इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्सचेंज. रियल बैलेंस इफेक्ट 1940s to 50s के बीच आया था. Keynesian liquidity preference theory 1936. मोनेटरिज्म मिल्टन फ्रीडमैन ने 20th सेंचुरी में दिया था.